and then working our way out. What's up, everybody? This is James Zapp from Zapp's Barbershop here with Beard Octane, and today we're going to explain how we do a beard wash at a barbershop. So we have Joe from Beard Octane laying down. So we have Joe lean back, and the most important part we want to start with first is having a towel tucked into his shirt, because when we spray this down with water, we don't want the water dripping onto him. We have our spray bottle here, and we're just going to get this beard nice and wet. We're going to work it in with our hands a little bit, make sure it is completely drenched. So next thing, we're going to start using our Beard Octane Lather Conditioning Wash, LCW for short. So you're going to take a little bit of this, put it in our hands, rub it through, and then we're just going to work it through the entire beard. Really massaging it into the skin itself, and then working our way out. What's great is as you start using, you already feel the beard getting softer. So now we're going to grab a hot towel. With the hot towel on, we want to actually, we're not doing this for a shave or anything, we're actually going to try to scoop up all the beard into that hot towel. Make sure it's okay. Is that okay in your face, Joe?
Yes, it is.
And we're just going to tuck all this beard into that hot towel. And while it's sitting there for the first couple seconds, just kind of work that hot towel in. And just let that sit there for a couple seconds. Okay, so now let that hot towel sit for a couple seconds. We're going to come back in, try to get all that beard wash off. You're definitely gonna notice there's some extra. What you're really gonna feel for is the stuff that's left over under the skin, or under the beard on top of the skin. So then we come back with our spray bottle, and getting it really damp. And as you're getting it damp, you're working your fingers into the skin, trying to get all that excess wash off. Then we come over with a dry towel, and now we're just working it all out. Use your fingers to feel if you feel any leftover stuff to his face. You can already feel that this is much, much, much softer. Once it's all dry, you can sit him up and start to blow dry it or use a heated brush on it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips.